Welcome to CUBASTIC channel. I'm Ihor, I'm a professional speedcuber. Today I'm going to show you the fastest Rubik's Cube solving by Ihor from China. His result is 3:47. We scrambled a cube the same way as he got. Here is a scramble. Before I show you the solving of the world record holder, I will try to solve the scramble on my own. Let's see how much time I need. I got 7:28. It's a pretty usual solving for me. I haven't found any incredible solution, so let's move on to the reconstruction of this record, 3:47, and see how the world record holder have solved it. Ihor decided to start the solving with red, because there are already two parts in its place and two pairs solved. White-green and yellow-green. He decided to work out double X cross. He made the following moves: U, R2, U prime. So he put the red-blue part in its place and kept the two pairs at the top. Then he decided to make an F prime, lowered the left face, put the red in place and inserted a yellow-green pair in a back. When he lifted the face, he had a cross and two pairs. He used a little number of movements and did it really fast. After that, he got the three-mover, white-blue. He made U prime, three-mover. From the same position, the last yellow-blue pair. He connected it using these movements. Then he made U2 and inserted it in a back. Thus he automatically solved F2L, 4 pairs and cross, and he only had the last layer on which he got back soon. He does this algorithm, gets a PLL skip, and it only remains to close the line. And this is the result, 3:47. Incredible solving, just 27 moves. Now I know exactly how the record holder solved a cube, and using that knowledge I'm going to try to beat his score. I've prepared some cubes, so let's get started. I started with red, lost several times, and it turned out 1 second worse than when I start with white. Let's try it again. And let's go. Okay, it was even worse. Here we go again. I'll try to experiment a little differently. I have already solved several times, starting with red. This time I will try to perfectly repeat his solving and try to do it much faster. Whew, only half a second. Only half a second left to repeat his result. Let's try again.
Guys, subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications, because in one of the following videos I will show you how the clock puzzle looks from the inside.
I did it! 3:41! It was a little easier than I thought. Okay, that was fast enough, but let's make it less than 3 seconds, because the unofficial record was 2.5 seconds, so we can try. Let's take the scramble again. Okay, let's try again. Oh, 3:13! Much closer. Now I will scramble the cubes again and try once more. Okay, 3:36, another attempt. $2.96, we did it! Ha! We did it! Sub 3. This is already a very cool result. It took me a few tries to beat the world record, but he did it on his first try. And it's very motivating, and maybe you can someday solve a cube in less than 3 seconds. So practice, don't stop learning new algorithms, and see you soon on CUBASTIC channel. You have to do a lot of editing.